Smart Money, 10 budgeting tips you need to know now. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 budgeting tips that will help you achieve financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out or have been managing your money for a while, these tips are sure to give you a fresh perspective on budgeting. We'll walk you through each tip, giving you practical advice and real-life examples to help you implement them into your own life. From tracking your spending to setting financial goals, these tips are the key to smart money management. So, join us and get ready to take control of your finances once and for all. Whether you're just starting out or have been managing your money for a while, these tips are sure to give you a fresh perspective on budgeting. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to taking control of your finances once and for all. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Track your spending. The first step to smart money management is knowing where your money is going. Tracking your spending will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. There are lots of free apps available to help you do this, so pick one that works for you and start tracking your spending today. Tip 2. Set financial goals. Having a clear idea of what you want to achieve financially will help you stay focused and motivated. Set both short-term and long-term goals, and make sure they're realistic and achievable. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or paying off your student loans, having a goal in mind will give you a purpose for your money. Tip 3. Create a budget. Once you know what your financial goals are, it's time to create a budget. This will help you allocate your money in the most effective way, ensuring that you have enough set aside for the things that matter most to you. Make sure to include all of your income and expenses, and be honest with yourself about where you can cut back. Tip 4. Automate your savings. The easiest way to save money is to make it automatic. Set up direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account each month, making it effortless to save money. Tip 5. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Small expenses can add up quickly, so it's important to be mindful of the things you're spending your money on. For example, do you really need that daily latte, or could you make coffee at home instead? Be honest with yourself about where you can cut back, and you'll be surprised at how much extra money you can save. Tip 6. Use cash instead of credit. Using cash instead of credit can help you stay on track with your budget. It's easy to overspend when you're using credit cards, but with cash, you can physically see how much money you have left. Try using the envelope system, where you allocate a certain amount of cash for each expense category, such as groceries or entertainment. Tip 7. Pay off debt. If you're in debt, it's important to prioritize paying it off as soon as possible. Make a plan to pay off your debt, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Consider consolidating your debt into a single loan with a lower interest rate, or work with a debt counselor to create a repayment plan that fits your needs. Tip 8. Don't live paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is incredibly stressful, and it can often feel like you're just treading water. Start building an emergency fund, even if it's just a small amount to start with. Having a cushion of savings will help you feel more secure, even if unexpected expenses come up. Tip 9. Invest in your future. Investing is a great way to build wealth and secure your financial future. Start by contributing to a 401k or IRA, and consider hiring a financial advisor to help you make smart investment decisions. With the right guidance, you can build a portfolio that will help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Tip 10. Be patient. Finally, remember that building wealth takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you're not seeing results immediately. Keep working at it, and eventually, you'll start to see progress. Remember, smart money management is a journey, not a destination. And there you have it, 10 budgeting tips to help you achieve financial freedom. By tracking your spending, setting financial goals, creating a budget, automating your savings, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, using cash instead of credit, paying off debt, not living paycheck to paycheck, investing in your future, and being patient, you'll be on your way to smart money management in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips.